Service Dog Scans. Let's talk about this account first. Another red flag is when the dog they're selling is actually a well-known handler's dog. I even recognized one in this video, and I know for a fact that dog isn't being sold. Doesn't it look familiar? Another big red flag is accounts using AI photos or videos. Next is a Facebook person. It looks fine at first. First red flag. This account claims they're rehoming a service dog, but look at the vest. That doesn't make sense because dogs from Canine Companions are not owned by the handler. The organization owns the dog, so handlers can't just sell or rehome them online. I found the real owner quickly. Lastly is IDs. Saying you can bring your dog anywhere with you. There are individuals and organizations that sell service animal certification or registration documents online. These documents do not convey any rights under the EDA and the Department of Justice.